Goals. Everyone has them. Maybe you want to get that summer body, write that next best-selling book, get out of debt, or learn a new language. Whatever your goal is, you know that getting from where you are now to where you want to be can be difficult. How can you achieve your goals and avoid failure? Introducing habits. How can you develop good habits? Start small. Sometimes people want to create big changes as quickly as possible. They want to go from 0 gym sessions per week to 4. Meditate 20 minutes a day when they could barely manage 5. This requires a lot of willpower. Willpower works a lot like a muscle, meaning if you use it a lot, it'll get tired. And when the willpower muscle gets tired, you'll quit. The solution is to start small. Instead of doing 50 push-ups per day, start with 10. Instead of reading a book a week, read a chapter a day. Create habit addictions. Award-winning actor and comedian Jerry Seinfeld became a master of his craft by writing jokes every day. Each time he completed his writing for the day, he put an X on his calendar for that day. Within a few days, he had a chain he didn't want to break. The Seinfeld strategy works because it helps to take the focus off of each individual performance. It puts the emphasis on the process instead. Get yourself a calendar, a marker, and get to work on your goal. Your only job is to not break the chain. Celebrate your small wins. Research has shown that when you track and celebrate your small victories, you activate the reward circuit in your brain and release some beneficial chemicals. This will keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Be sure to track your progress and celebrate those small wins when you take a step in the right direction. Become an excellent individual and achieve your goals. Create good habits today.